Plug and Play Abu Dhabi, we connect global startups with world-leading corporations and government entities to drive innovation.
My name's Andrew. My background is in laboratory medicine and science. I've worked with the NHS running large laboratory networks in private pharmaceuticals and in clinical pathology testing. I am the co-founder and chief scientific officer of Testcard. Testcard was built on the concept of improving access to healthcare. A lot of people are isolated from healthcare geographically, economically, or socially. And Testcard brings testing into people's homes to allow them to be able to take the first step in access of healthcare in the comfort, convenience, and privacy of their own home. Startup started from a conversation between me and my co-founder. We were having dinner one evening and we were talking about how bad it was, how bad men were engaging in healthcare. We're absolutely appalling. They don't want to have to book an appointment and wait for a period of time. They don't want to have to sit in front of someone and try and convince them there's something wrong with them, to sell them that they're ill. And we envisage a future where we moved away from the current model of healthcare to a more predictive, preventative model. Accelerator programs such as a plug-and-play health accelerator are essential for startups like us for a couple of reasons. Firstly, as startups, we've got a really small voice. We're not really heard when we shout. When we come together as groups within these programs, our voices get a lot louder. We can share our experiences, we can share our leads, and we can share, just share social media and share advertisements with one another. But also within these accelerators, you effectively get free employees. You have a number of people working on your behalf to generate leads, to generate partnerships, and connect you with people you wouldn't normally have access to. Abu Dhabi is one of the most forward-thinking in the way it delivers healthcare, and allows us to consider what we would look like if we created a fully decentralized healthcare model. Even in terms of logistics networks, there's well-established private networks in Abu Dhabi that can provide delivery of products in a very short time frame, which allows us to connect with existing businesses such as pharmacies or insurers, healthcare providers that already have these networks in place. I would say that having a co-founder in that sense is really important. Trying to do it all on your own, even if it's your idea, I think you run out of energy very quickly. And equally, it's really good to have someone else to bounce ideas off who's willing to tell you when you're wrong, willing to call you on the mistakes that you're making. I just want to say to them, thank you ever so much for all the work you're doing with us and doing for us. It's been amazing being able to access a market in a way that we would never have been able to do on our own, and also access people that we would normally not have any access to. So thank you ever so much for working for us.